Hi guys, it's Machaela. So today I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial using the E.L.F. Chocolate Mint palette. And this is the look I managed to create. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. Alright, I'm just going to take this shade here with a fluffy brush and just buff that in my crease as my transition shade. Once that's done, I'm going to take a more tapered brush and just take this here and put it on the outer corner, like so. Just buff that into the crease, taking it. Wow, that is actually very pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and buff that out more. Alright, with my ring finger, I'm going to just take this here and put this all over the lid. Oh wow, that's a very pretty color. That's super pigmented. Yep, just put that all over my lid. And then just going back with my transition shade and just keep blending and just keep blending until you get it where you want it. Alright, normally I'd probably leave the look here if I were doing an everyday kind of look. However, I'm going to take the Mint Melt eyeshadow stick and I'm just going to place that on the inner corner as like an inner corner highlight. Just kind of buffing that in there, taking it up just a little bit. I just kind of want to add that extra pop of green right there, and I really want to make it pop. So taking this last shade here, I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put that right over that green shade. Just really wanting to make that inner corner kind of pop there, and just taking it a little bit on the lid, not too far, but just enough to make that pop a little bit. Alright, because I have my foundation on already and I really want to kind of sharpen and shape that outer corner there, I'm going to take my concealer. This is just my Dose of Colors to Meet Your Hue concealer with a flat brush. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to shape that just like that. Just kind of taking it on the corner of my eye, then going up. And if I feel like I need to, I'll go ahead and just take a little bit on the edge of my eye there, just to kind of get that specific shape, and then taking my beauty blender and just blending that down. I have nothing set. I don't have any setting powder or anything on, so I don't have to worry about that, but just blending that out and just kind of taking my time and doing that shape. And then just kind of going back over and just kind of fixing the blend there a little bit. And then for the lower lash line, I am going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Whiskey, and any brown liner will work. And I'm just going to take that and run that along the lower lash line. And then just taking a smudger brush in that brown that is in the palette and just smudging that underneath. I like to keep the lash line a little bit more subtle, but I definitely want to make that kind of define that just a little bit. So I will do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back with the final look. And that's the final look. Overall, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's super stunning. It's super beautiful and easy to use, and I love the pop of green I was able to do on the inner corner. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless and bye guys.
Bye.